Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to unstake Solana on Coinbase. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Coinbase mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you are going to see its home page that will look something like this. Now over here, you need to tap on the Assets tab and then you will have to tap on Earn. In the Earn, you are going to see all of the items or coins that you have staked. So you will have to tap on Solana and after that you will have to select the earning option. Then you will have to select the option of unstake and choose continue unstake if applicable. On the next page, you will have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to unstake from your Coinbase account. Then in order to see the preview, you will have to select the option of preview unstake. Afterwards, in order to confirm your unstaking, you will have to select the option of unstake now, and this way you will be able to easily unstake your Solana on Coinbase. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.